For our third and last example of simplifying rational expressions, we have a trinomial, no, as a given, and we are tasked to write the rational expression in simplest form. Then we are going to state the restriction on the variables. So, stating the restriction on the variable x, ang gibutang din, no? We can actually determine this one in step 1. So, to do that, uh, let us go back in factoring the numerator and the denominator. And since the numerator and denominators are a trinomial, no? So, mubalik ta sa pag-factor sa general trinomial nga scale. So, x squared plus 2x minus 8 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, ang unahon ko na to, di ka dito mo cancel, ana ha? Una is, before ka mo cancel, take note, ang canceling must be done when expressed in multiplication. So, kay pag-factor na to, dapat maka-express man siya sa multiplication, usa pa ta maka-cancel. So, di ka dito mo-cancel, ana. Pang uban naman, dito cancel. Oh, that's a misconception. So, una na to, no, is to factor the numerator and the denominator. Now, the numerator, and since the leading coefficient of the degree x squared 2 is 1, di ba nga to, gitudlo ni sir is 1 times negative 8. That is the value of A, B, and C. A here is 1, B is positive 2, and C is negative 8. So, since 1 times negative 8 is 8, negative 8 raputritso, think of the factors of a negative 8. So, that is 1 times 8, 2 times 4 lang. No? Maura na. So, napabailain? No? 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. What else? O, maura. And since negative siya, ato ang i-minus. So, ang 1 times 8, 1 times negative 8, and since ang ato ang value sa B is positive, so, ang factor sa negative 8 nga ang usa positive, kung negative man kay negative ano. So ang positive dapat ang dako nga numero. So that is positive 8 times negative 1. And kung ato i-minus 8 minus 1, the answer is 7, which is not the same with positive 2. Okay? So ang ikaduha nato nga choice is 2 ug 4 nga factor. That is 4 times negative 2 is still negative 8, and then 4 minus 2 is positive 2. Okay, sakto na siya. So, ang primero ani is x, the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. And the other one, ang diri sa ubos, no? Sa denominator, 6, unya negative 5. So, since negative 5 na siya, unya positive 6. So, ang possible nga factor sa positive is pwede puro positive, positive times positive, unya negative times negative. But since inig-add na to, no, inig-add na to is negative, so dapat puro na siya negative nga factors. So, ang kuan ra nato sa 6 is 1 times 6 ug 2 times 3. Na kung ato i-add, 1 times 6 is 6, but if we add 1 plus 6, the answer is 7. So, dili na siya mao ang atong factors nga gipangita. Now, on the other hand, ang 2 ug 3, 2 times 3, or negative 2 times negative 3, the answer is still positive 6. Now, if we add negative 2 plus negative 3, the answer is negative 5. Okay? So, mao to ang duha. Sa ibabaw is x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. And sa ubos is x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2. Okay. Makita na to. Okay, see? Ako giingon sa inyo, no? The quantity of x plus 4, yeah, the quantity of x minus 2, yeah, the quantity of x minus 3, and the quantity of x minus 2. Kung ato siya using FOIL method, mo equal na siya o balik, ana. Now, in this case, sa step 1 pa lang daan, makita na nato ang restriction sa variables. So, unsay mga numero diri nga makapa-0. So, ang primero nga makapa-0 is positive 3. Kay 3 minus 3 is 0. And the other one, nga respikas, 2. 2 minus 2. So, ang bawal ani is x should not be equal to 3 and x should not be equal to 2. Okay? Now, later on, ato na ipakita. Next step is to divide out the common factors. So, using these factors, step 1, we already know that there are common divisors or common factors. And that is x minus 2. The quantity of x minus 2 ang makancel out. Now, ato i-cancel out, mo na may tabo. So, therefore, removing the parenthesis symbol, we simplify. The answer is x plus 4 all over x minus 3. Oh? And that is x should not be equal to 3 and 2. Okay. That ends our example in simplifying rational expression. So by the way, if you are asked, no, ato balikon pag-answer, if we are tasked to simplify the simplest form of x squared plus 2x minus 8 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6, the answer will be equal to x plus 4 all over x minus 3, granting that x should not be equal to positive 3 and 2. Thank you and stay safe, guys.